What a one good people, it's your boy,
Madi, it's your boy.
And Sugar Leg. And George Mkoki, as always.
The green mamba. The green, but that's good. I actually like, because imagine you call yourself green mamba. It doesn't go with anything that you are to call yourself green mamba. But green mamba,
where did it come from? Swift.
George.
Okay.
George, which league was it? Winter League. So
during the last year.
Green Mamba. Green Mamba. So green. I got my green top.
Okay.
So I call it the Green Mamba.
But yeah, anyway, Tim Cook is retiring or is already retired. I'm not so sure which is which. From being CEO.
Yeah. No, he's already been replaced.
Right?
Yeah.
And hey, I was just thinking back, bruh. I was like, dude, Tim Cook has done so much for Apple that we didn't realize, bruh.
Especially after
this guy introduced like my AirPods. We didn't know about cordless earphones. Yeah. That was Tim Cook, bruh. He discontinued the iPod anyway. But now in Apple, you get my M2 chips are faster. Stuff, my iPad Air, the magic keyboard, stuff like that. Like, dude, the introduction stuff, and we didn't even notice. We actually used to think it was Steve Jobs.
Yeah, Steve Jobs.
I think Steve Jobs is still living through Apple.
Yeah,
such that his name is stuck in our
mind. That we still think he's the one who.
Yeah, it's like Microsoft. I'm sure Microsoft has a new CEO now who's not Bill Gates. But in our minds, when you think
that guy,
when you think Microsoft,
that guy,
is it a guy or it's a woman?
Microsoft.
Yeah,
I just know that Gates name.
All right, but it's like come on, it's crazy. It's like whenever you think of Microsoft, you think of Bill Gates. Whenever you think Apple, you think.
Yeah, but that's solid. That's some solid stuff, bro.
Facebook, right? Facebook, you think Mark Zuckerberg, exactly. Like it's like I don't go out of it. Like you forever. Yeah, but it was good. It was great, and I remember Max Brown was talking about how a lot of people with Apple, when they get to 65 years, they just resign. They just like And I was like, it's actually dope because they think they're too old. And then they leave it for material business. And 40 years.
And now, one thing about to do that.
Yeah, because the guy was replacing him. CEO used to be the one who tech side producer. I think
exactly. And you'll be surprised now. I'm looking at Apple going for affordable. I'm looking at Apple going different shapes as well. Different shapes. The same design. Apple now,
because the guy Repo Kwanzi is a technical guy. Cook wasn't that technical.
You are still Jobs.
Yeah. No, Jobs was the technical guy because in the end I told me that my keynote conference the new iPhone. So he was talking about how he asked Tim Cook about was it a magical keyboard or something, and then like I thought about the shit and check his video. So I was like, no, he's a CEO, yes, but Asimunari hands-on. Now the next CEO is going to be hands-on now. So expect to see a lot of change.
I think iPhone after this one, it's a win or break. Because also Samsung. It can buy not 4K. So I'm going to take it the other day in a 4D. But they got to Samsung.
Another,
someone else, the Tech Guru Harari guy. I don't know. I record this perfect picture, perfect everything recorded, but when I upload it on Instagram or lose actually. Yeah. So Samsung and open it
just like
I'm very paid Samsung.
I also thought of the other thing Jananda Tokangano. Tim Cook was the CEO pavakapinda into like the entertainment, like Apple TV, Apple Music, Apple Arcades. But you see what this guy did.
Plus what? Apple just needs to appeal to America to be profitable.
Exactly. Yeah.
They don't really need. Why? Because Apple that user interface in there, as long as I do but a dollar in the Apple, it's really they make you pay for convenience.
Exactly.
Whereas kuno wanted the Apple is skilled out. So you pay for your message. It's single download the papa Apple I think but Apple no better, sir.
Yeah, it does. But yeah, moving on. Hey, cricket. What's up with the cricket? The cricket league yapera.
We're pretty much done.
Okay, what's up with cricket? Because I think this was the last game, right?
No, there's
Kindle and Mahogan.
There's still one more game, that's Netco and Mahogan. Right?
Oh, okay.
That was posted today.
That's on Saturday?
Yes, on the 9th.
Okay.
But I think the league is done. And
did rub by Mahogan
looks like they're going first league. Kwakatotambo home playoffs the National League. Kwekwe lost to Rimuka. So yeah.
So my playoffs in the National League, like A League, kuna ma playoffs. Yangweta number 1 inogoenda.
Number 1 goes through automatically. Then number 2, Kunoku Midlands plays number 1 Mashonaland West.
So
then 1 between those two.
So Kindo was number 2.
No.
Yeah. I'm saying ours was B League, right?
We are the B League and
Yakaita number 1 was Mahogan. Yeah. And now it's going to the A League.
A League.
So there's no need for playoffs.
B League hakuna maplay. You know go to number last 2 you know go today. Today.
Okay, I get it now. Okay. So it's one more game and then we go Chaputono Pinda Winter League.
GWERU Winter League.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, one more weekend.
Manje what of Madini.
So yeah, moving on. Hey, before we go to this one, have you ever used the CAG bus before?
Not yet, but kwanzi zwarupedza.
Yeah, vakatanga vachipedza vachapedza.
Havachapedza.
Wi-Fi yava inazoshanda.
Wi-Fi haichashanda, havachapi ma-earphones. And you know those small things.
Where my earphones?
You get earphones for that smallest TV.
All right.
They give now we want to
earphones now.
So the first 2-3 times in the SCP was in music. They can go to now, all right, you're now from $10 to $15. But kukwira kwayo kenda day, I was comfortable with it until I boarded the bus. Now the Wi-Fi will be down and I was like, you know what? I might go back to Eagle Line because
everyone has been telling about I'm a hiking person.
I hate hiking.
Yeah, in the first one, in my first one, I'm gonna go. I'm take baby. When did Ruska baby of the summer? It's like a private. Yagana, Yando Garabamberi.
Besides here.
I'll wait.
Anyways, you were talking about the guy in Opsakramota and whatever good guy hiking person.
Saga CAG man, Pandagato woods on it. So you try to CAG. For me, it's like because of I've been maybe in one of those buses that the funny express. So now what you're saying, and why should I board CAG? Because my next thing was like, next time I'm gonna Japanese CAG, but I can out today and change.
Yeah,
I'm
not liking it. I think they should change.
CAG type plan.
Better schedule. I think Wi-Fi in not on.
So it's against yes, it's Metastone against CAG, but CAG anyway would like for people to actually comment and tell us
the
experience, and then
it's just me.
Yeah. Because I should, like you see, this should be my first experience, and I think I like it. But maybe you've had experiences, and it's a change.
But what do you feel about people asking you to post their stuff? Like not asking you, but maybe for persistence, repost and whatever.
I think if they also do the same,
no,
I'm
but
okay.
Do you think it's something? Oh, you're okay.
Yeah, if
like when you have inbox, repost that.
No, but you won't report those wrong.
Okay. All right. Yeah. Because I just had this thought when like someone was like, I could repost that, because like I'm that person at a calculative. For me to post something, it has to be a certain time because no what up no status you know that thing you snap no picture picture but one of our status but picture next time but I was saying you like I think you often recognize someone. Repost because sometimes you might be posting something that I'm not aligned. You may be posting no, that I can't be posting that. But you so I feel like I'm not post sometimes if I'm forced. Repost. Like repost. I've got friends sometimes when I want to post just like I can't like you post one which you tweak a shama. Those are kind of chance I like this by Instagram. Yeah, yeah. This one is for you and Mukogi. This should be our last topic. High school sports versus pro.
In Zim.
Like in Zim, exactly.
Bro.
Like which one is?
Yeah, okay. I'll give you on it. Soccer, cricket, pro level ball. And it like that's the highest level.
And high school.
And it high school, garage, hockey. I'm batik.
Soccer rugby and hockey for high school you are big, but when you get to national pro level. I've been seeing these conversations, you know, our sports are not high school. The moment people get to pro level, like you don't know them anymore. Assistant attraction.
Soccer, cricket, always.
Yeah, pro level.
And it always and it. And kana ungakapenga ku high school. Unopera ku national kana ku pro level, league level. Kana ungori ku. Kana ungakapenga in these two sports.
Yeah.
These two sports. Then garage. No matter how much ungakapenga, garage yatogumira ku high school. Iwo aunudze kuti zvinoti ma companies are sponsors zvikoro Steers, Croco Motors, Mukuru, chichitanditi. Inotadza kusponsor national team. But not sponsor.
Why are they not sponsoring national team? But make it make sense to me.
How? Steers, Croco Motors, Mukuru, and they investing because mari yavo anikaisa. Value they get value for money in
so maybe we should have pro level national maybe grounds and stuff are at par with the high school. Because only high school grounds sometimes in there are ground dudes.
Sure.
Are it dope?
Dude, are it dope?
Where does GWERU rugby practice?
In the cricket pitch. In the cricket field.
Pro rugby versus you go and watch.
I'd rather watch rugby. Personal honesty.
You'd rather go and watch MCC versus Goldfish
exactly
than GWERU versus Odararians.
Yeah, I'm yet to be mature and all that, but then I think kunana rugby, tennis,
but tennis
pro level.
Oh, we are just not yet there. Panarare open, number 1,000.
Is it pro?
Pro, you know who Serbia.
Oh wow. Okay.
We're gonna Germany. Tennis ball.
We're getting somewhere.
Tennis ball.
I think they market Royal.
Yeah.
Okay.
So individual sports, tennis, swimming, will always be.
You always.
Yeah. Team sports. Garas
high school.
Go ahead.
There was Kotko, exactly. Yeah. So it's a dope thing.
Prince Edward Churchill will pull in more numbers than Zimbabwe versus Uganda.
Definitely.
Zimbabwe versus Uganda. It's organic. For them to pull those numbers, they need Prince Edward versus Churchill, St. John's versus Kuti. Vato numbers. Kuti vanhu national.
I think we'll need to actually plan on an episode here, but sports. We need to do this, and it's just because of our time that I have to cut this. But I think on our next, we need to talk about this, and you have to be there. You have to be there. But yeah, that's it for today, people. Chato Nora.